Okay, guys, let's go ahead and look at an example of simplifying rational expressions that are multiplied. Okay, so one thing that you need to know is that whenever you have two rational expressions and they're multiplied, then we are just multiplying straight across. So when you multiply two fractions, you always multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. Okay, so I am going to rewrite this expression so that I don't have this multiplication in the middle. So it's straight across, right? So what's going to happen is that this guy is going to be multiplied by this guy. And this guy is going to be multiplied by that guy. Okay, and so we will have 56x squared, and then we multiply that by x squared minus 81. That's going to be on the top. On the bottom, I will have x squared plus 17x plus 72, and I multiply that by 7x squared. So what the idea is that everything that you can, you should factor first. So 56x squared, obviously that is not going to be factorable because that's already a product. But x squared minus 81, you should recognize that that's your favorite difference of squares, which is x minus 9, x plus 9, right? Okay, so on the bottom, let's see. So x squared plus 17x plus 72. Let's see if we can factor that by trial and error. And we're going to leave 7x squared separate, right? So that we're not going to do anything with yet. Okay, so what you're looking at is you're looking at two numbers that would multiply to 72 and add to positive 17. So that should be pretty easy to pick up, and that would be 8 and 9. Okay, so this would be x plus 8, x plus 9, right? Because if you add them up, you get 17, and if you multiply, you get 72. Okay, so with that said, what we want to do now is we want to perform this canceling out. Let's just cancel everything. Okay, so there should be some factors that are going to repeat on the top and on the bottom, and you can cancel them. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, we can see that x plus 9, and then there is another x plus 9. Yay! Now, x minus 9 does not have anything in common with x plus 9. You can never cancel at a plus sign. So you cannot get rid of that x minus 9. And x plus 8 and x minus 9, they are completely different. You cannot get rid of x because you can never cancel at a plus or minus or whatever. You can only cancel at a product. Now, x squared and x squared, I can see that both of them repeat over here and over here, so I can cancel that. And then 56 and 7, you can actually just enter on your calculator and ask to simplify, and you will see that that simplifies to 56 is divisible by 7, so that's just going to be 8 divided by 1, okay? So, which is just 8. And so 8 is going to be on the top, it's going to stay, right? So this 56 is really 8 times 7. If you think of it that way, then you will see that the 7 is canceling out, right? And so 8 is left. So what else do we have that is not going to cancel? X minus 9 not going to cancel, still stays there. And x plus 8 also not going to cancel, that stays there. And that's it. So that's really your final answer there.